everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I am going to show you how to write personalized, engaging emails using Monica AI. Whether you're crafting a marketing email or a personal message, Monica AI makes it easier to create content that resonates with your audience. So, the first step is to log into your Monica AI account. If you are new, sign up and complete the initial setup process to get started. Then navigate to the email campaign section and click on create new campaign. You will need to name your campaign and select the email types such as promotional or follow-up. Next, enter your recipient's details, including names and email addresses. Monica AI uses this information to personalize the email content for each recipient. Now, it is time to generate your email content. You can input key ideas, product details, or any other information you want to include. Monica AI will help you craft a personalized and engaging message tailored to your audience. Finally, you will need to review the generated email to ensure it meets your expectations. Make any necessary adjustments, then click send to deliver your personalized emails. And that is how you write personalized, engaging emails with Monica AI. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.